Okay, genuine question for everyone watching. Have you ever noticed how the entire office panics the moment network slows down? One loading screen and suddenly the productivity drops. Meetings freeze, apps stop working, and people go to IT teams like they are their only savior. And someone always says, "Who jammed the network?" But here's the thing most people don't realize modern business networks are huge. Like, seriously huge. We are talking about branch offices, cloud apps, remote employees, cameras, homes, laptops, and IoT devices, all connected together. And somehow, businesses need all of this running smoothly 24 by 7, which is exactly why network management exists. So, network management is basically controlling the network. Exactly. It helps businesses monitor performance, detect issues, optimize traffic, manage the devices, and improve the security. So, instead of employees coming and complaining, IT teams can actually detect the problem. Yep, modern network platforms collect real time data from devices across the networks. Which sounds honestly a little scary, but helpful. But managing this sounds almost impossible because, given the scale of operations of IT companies, modern networks use AI, automation, and analytics to make the management smarter. So, the network can actually detect problem on its own. Exactly, like unusual traffic, security concerns, performance drops, or overloaded applications. So, IT teams stop firefighting and start preventing the problem. Now that's modern networking. Honestly, network management feels like air traffic control. That's actually the perfect example. Without management, absolute chaos. With intelligent monitoring and smart networking, everything flows smoothly. Just know there's a lot happening behind the scenes. And most of it is powered by intelligent network management. And now you know, modern businesses just don't need networks anymore. They need network that can monitor, optimize, and improve themselves.